Hey guys, Mike Martinez, and today, I want to share a simple message with you because here's the bottom line. We all have this capability, and the capability is a powerful one, and it's the capability to create something. And I talk about this to my grandkids a lot, and my kids, obviously, because I want them to understand the power in being able to create something, right? Because as human beings, here's the distinction that we have over animals and over plants. Plants and animals, they're alive just like us, right? But they have a certain genetic, pattern in which they go on, and they fulfill that pattern until they die. But human beings, we have a different ability. That ability is the ability to think, the ability to create. That is what every holy book says. We are created in God's image. Why are we created in God's image? Because God is not a human body like we are, right? Supposedly God is a spirit. But we're created in His image in the sense that we are creators just like God is. God created everything, right? And we have the ability to create, and that's a powerful thing, guys. And the key point is that when you create, you set yourself at a different level in life, right? The people that you work for are people that created a business. The people that are at a higher position in life are people that create and create on a consistent basis. So if you are just participating in life and not really creating, I'm telling you guys, you got to start stepping into that process. And you start by doing the small things. What do I mean? You start by creating a video. You start by creating a report. You start by creating a book. You start by creating a movie. You start by creating a course. You start by creating a training. The key point is that you create. Right? You take something from your mind and you make it physical. You take something, just an idea, just an imagination, and you put it out into the world. And there's going to be some people that you're going to attract because of that, right? Not everybody, but there's going to be some people, and you'd be surprised how many people, right? So I'm encouraging you to look into yourself. And you know what, guys? The one thing that I believe came out good about the COVID-19 lockdown that the world has experienced is the fact that, you know what? It made a lot of people think outside of the box. It made a lot of people say, wow, I could be shut down like this. How do I protect myself so that that doesn't happen again, right? And a lot of people, I'll tell you, are doing things that they never thought they'd do before. I got a couple that's in their 60s and 70s. Husband is in the 60s, wife is in the 70s. And they're putting together a website, right? Well, why? Because they came to the conclusion that, you know what? I want to do something that I enjoy. I want to enjoy, something. And I said, hey, listen, why don't we put together a website? And we're in the process of doing that. They're excited out of their mind, and it's a beautiful thing, and they're going to monetize it to make some money from home, right? Could you do the same? Absolutely, no doubt about it. The bottom line is you got to get in your head that creation is something you got to participate in. You got to participate in the act of creation because it takes you to another level. Give me your comments. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor, subscribe. Go on to my blog, mike-martinez.com. But I want to hear your comments. I want to hear what you believe about this idea of creating. And I want to hear what you might be interested in creating. It's all powerful, guys, and you need to be part of it. Mike Martinez, I'll be speaking to you soon.